Okay, Tech Tip Thursday. We are looking at a Welbilt fresh lens machine, and there is an intermittent issue with the blender shutting off while in the down position and kind of just not working completely how it's supposed to, leaving chunks of ice. So we're going to go into service outputs. In service outputs, we can do dispense and blend. Now we know it's having problems in the down position, so if we bring the blender to the down position, excellent. And now from this position, we should be able to go in and we can actually turn our blade on. And we can hear it's trying to run, but then if we play with our harness, we can actually see that our harness is going to be our problem. Just little tricks like this can make a big difference in if you're going to be able to fix the machine or not while you're on site. We do carry this harness on our truck, so instead of replacing this motor and going through all the effort of getting this off, and I personally take the screen off to access it, we can see that it's going to be our motor. Alright, swapped out that harness, and if we bring it down, and you have to remember too while you're doing this, it does go back to its home position, so don't like stick your whole hand in there and have a bunch of fun in there. And we're in the up position, so we'll bring it down. And now, no issues. So, just a little trick that I just learned today, so something to keep in the back pocket and help you out in deciding if you need a motor or a harness. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.